Hi, my name is Lynn. Welcome to our talk on unsupervised generation of labeled training images for crop-based segmentation in new fields and on different robots. In crop-based segmentation, we take in as input an RGB image. We then need to classify every single pixel in this RGB image as either a crop, weed, or background class. The task of crop-based segmentation is typically done using machine learning networks. And we train these machine learning networks using labeled data. Throughout our presentation today, we'll be looking at how we are able to generate labeled data that we can use to develop these machine learning networks. We would like to generate labeled data automatically because manual labeling is extremely costly. And we are able to generate this labeled data by leveraging on the style mixing by Stachniss 2. Here are some example images and their labels that we have generated. The generation of image label pairs are done in 3 steps. First, we have to get the latent variables, one for the source domain and one for the target domain. With these 2 latent variables, we can perform style mixing to get a third latent variable that corresponds to the RGB image we would like to generate. Finally, we finish by getting the label that corresponds to this generated image. We ran an experiment and showed that our method is able to improve the performance in the target domain. We see that here we are able to detect at least the crops, and we no longer think that all vegetations are just weeds. Thank you for your attention.